Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to build a simple Java desktop app using NetBeans and Ant. We'll have two input fields, a save button, and a JTable that displays everything you add. Let's get started! Okay, so to get started, we're just gonna create a new project. In NetBeans, we go to File, New Project. It'll be a Java with Ant. We'll leave it on Java application. We click on Next. And then we're gonna name it Simple Form App in this case. We're not creating a main class from here, as we will be creating it ourselves. We just click on Finish, and here it is, our project on the left hand side. We're gonna go to Source Packages, and we're creating a new package, and it'll be the type of JFrame form. We can call it Main Form. And we click on Finish, and here we have our base frame, so that we can start adding elements from the right hand side container, which is the Swing Containers panel. Okay, I have already dragged and dropped the elements from the Swing Containers panel that is on the right hand side. As you can see, what I'm using is some labels here, JLabels, and this one I just changed the text to name, and this other one to value. I'm also using JTextFields. For these ones, I renamed the variable names, for example, to text name and text value. Here you can rename them because we will be using those variables. I added a JButton and just changed the text to save. This one I renamed it to button save, and here is our JTable that I also renamed to table data. So, well, we can go ahead and add the programming logic to our graphic user interface. So to do that, we can either go to Source right here, or we can simply click on the button save as well. Double click on it, and that's gonna take us straight to the method that is gonna perform this button. So what we actually wanna do is that when the user clicks on the button save, well, first of all, the user is gonna input some values for name and value fields, and then when he clicks on the save button, the data is gonna be displayed right here on the JTable. That's what we want the application to do. So we click on the save button, double click on it, and let's go ahead and start adding the logic. Okay, so first of all, in our main form class, which is gonna have all the logic and the main function that is gonna run the program, we want to actually declare our default table model. This is gonna help us manage the JTable that we added to display the data. So for that, we're gonna do a private default table model, which is here, default table model, and we're gonna call it table model. Okay, and we're also gonna declare a function, well, actually a method in the main form that is gonna be called setup table. And we're gonna actually define this method setup table. This is actually a private void setup table. Okay, so in our setup table method, we're gonna go ahead and create a table model object, and we're gonna add the parameters of name and value so that our table is gonna actually display those headers, and it's gonna start with zero rows. So in order to accomplish this, then we just simply do a new table model, a new object, new default table model, and this is gonna have a new string. Don't say you need me. Don't say you wanna take it serious. we're gonna have 0 rows to start, and in here we're gonna add the titles as of name and value. And then we're gonna call our JTable. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and program our save button. So once the user clicks on the save button, the program is gonna collect or pretty much get the text from the JTextField and show them in the JTable. So to do this, we can simply declare a new string variable called name, and then with the method of text, well, actually text name is the name of our text field, and we're gonna get the text string, and we're gonna do the value also. It'll be pretty much the same but with text value. Okay, text. And we're gonna do a basic validation here. So, well, this validation, what it's gonna do is that we don't want the user to leave blanks. We want to have actually some text in those fields. Otherwise, let's just throw a message warning the user to enter some information there, some data. So if, let's say if name dot is empty, or value is empty, then what we wanna do is the following. So we're gonna call our class Java Swing dot JOptionPane dot show message dialog. Show message dialog, and we're gonna put a message in this. This message could be like, please fill in both fields, pretty much. Let's just put it here. Please fill in both fields. Okay, that looks good, and then we're just gonna return. Okay, awesome. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a new row to the table. So we're gonna call our table model dot add row, and this is gonna give us a new object. And we're gonna put in here, well, it's gonna be empty, in we're gonna add the name and value. And we're gonna clear the fields and return focus. So to do that, we're gonna work with our element, text name, set text. It's gonna be blank, and text value dot set text, and it's gonna be blank. And we're gonna add now the request focus. So text dot name request focus. Okay, that's gonna be pretty much it. This is the basic logic of our code. We're just working with the default table model, which is what is gonna handle our JTable. We have programmed our save, our button save, and we're gonna throw a message if the user hasn't entered any data. If so, then just display the data that was entered in the JText fields and put it on the JTable. Let's go ahead and run our program and see what happens. Okay, so this is our graphic user interface. We're gonna enter a name. We can just put any name over here. Let's do, I don't know, Mario. In value, let's do color, maybe green. We're gonna save, and that's it. We can do another one. Let's do Nancy, and let's do yellow, and save, and that's gonna be it. Alright, and that's it. You've got a working Java graphic user interface form with a live table. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day!